Hello and welcome. I'd like to show you guys how to successfully download a PDF, fill it out, and then upload it back into Schoology. I typically, there are some problems that come from this where you can't save the file and then you actually work on it, you upload it, you think it's all done, but you're uploading a blank PDF. So I'm going to take you through the steps. So there's a couple different ways of doing this. I'm going to go through the preferred method that I like to use, Adobe Acrobat, so I can go back and then actually save this file. So again, the first probably assignment that we're going to work on this will be the deposit slip and checks example. So I'm going to ask you to download the file. Once it's downloaded in Chrome, I'm going to show in folder. So here is one of my files I just downloaded. The new one here has a number 1 after it. I'm going to right click on this and open with Adobe Acrobat Reader. You may have this installed on your computer, you may not. Again, if you're using a school laptop, again, may or may not. But this is not going to be the default reader for a school laptop. So a lot of times it would just going to open up in Chrome. But I like to use Adobe. So this is one way of doing this where you can see the file, right click, go to open with, and open up with the reader. Now you can take a minute and again, you can start filling in the form. And again, at this point, I'm just going to enter just some text to get started on this. So at this point, if I say I'm done with this, I've completed everything for the assignment, which I'm not. But at this point, this is my file that I want to upload. So how do I do that? I want to save it, and I want to save it maybe in a different location or maybe with a different file name so I know that this is the saved version. So I'm going to go back to File, Save As. And again, Adobe will ask, like, where do you want to put this? By default, it's going to go back to your download folder. I'm going to choose a different folder just to prompt this dialog box. So right now, you got to watch where it's going. It's pointing over to documents. I'm going to change this back into the downloads. Okay, and this is going to be dependent upon your computer. So I'm looking in my download folder here. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to modify the name a little bit. I'm just going to type in my initials here after this, just so I know I'm changing it and I know like this is the one that has the actual answer on it. So I'm going to save it and I'm going to close out of it. And I want to make sure I've got the right file here. So now, when I'm back in downloads, again, you may have to refresh this. Notice I have the one with my initials here. So open this up. This will have, again, a couple of the numbers I typed in, my name. So this is the file you want to go back and upload. So when you're ready to upload it, you close out of this. Back in Schoology, you would have your submissions button over here where you can click on that and upload the actual file. So that would be one way of doing this. The other way of working with this is with Chrome. So a lot of times when you download the file, it's going to open up into Chrome. So if, again, my default, again, browser reader is Adobe, but you may get something like this, again, especially if you're using a school laptop. So this is important that you understand and take a look at these couple extra steps that you have to do. You'll fill out the form like you would normally. So again, I'm going to go back here. I'm going to type in a couple items on here, type in my name. And again, now at this point, let's pretend that you're done, that you want to go back and upload this. So at this point, you're going to have to, you can't save it directly with Chrome. So you have to actually use the print option and save as PDF. So again, when I have this in Chrome, I can hit my printer icon, save as PDF. So again, the destination has to be changed to PDF. I'm going to hit save. And again, check your location where it's going to go. So right now I'm pointing it back to my desktop. I can put it back in my downloads, whatever I want. But again, it's important that, again, you are understanding where the location where you're going to go. I'm just going to leave it out to my desktop this time. And again, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go back and I'm going to change the file name and I'm going to add on my initials again so I know this is the completed document. So I'm going to hit save. And again, I'll minimize this. And again, on my desktop, here is the file that I just opened up. Now, again, I have Adobe Acrobat, so it's going to open up back in Adobe. But again, when I open up this is the one I just worked with. So this is important. That's how you want to handle this in Chrome. Once you have your file completed, back in Schoology, you can hit Submit Assignment, upload, and get the right file. Now, I do suggest, and it is your responsibility to make sure you upload the correct file. So once you upload that in Schoology, I would go back into your submissions and look at that. You can see that, and if it's wrong, okay, replace it with the correct version. But again, please follow these steps on working with a PDF. You got to make sure you save it first, and then, like I said, I recommend putting on like your initials just to differentiate from the original file to the final one. I hope this video helps. Let me know if you have any questions.